Another set of pause squats. Let's do it. Two more. One more. Blow it out. Let's do it. Let's hit it. Two more. One more. Blow it out.
Man, we sore, we tired, freaking soaking wet, still getting it in, man. Gotta always get it in, no matter what. No excuses. Look good. Two more just like that. That's gonna look good. Blow that out the hole, man. Blow that out the hole. Yeah. No matter what, no excuses. Look good. Easy. Nice. Two more just like that. Look, this last one look good. Blow that out the hole, man. Blow that out the hole. Real quick, Strength Brothers TK here, Terrance Kareem. It's about to rain, so we gotta make this super quick. Just finished some pause squats today. How you feel about today, man?
Man, them pause squats were getting me, man. My leg is killing me. I'm still sore from last week's pause squats, but went pretty good, man. How yours feel?
Man, today felt really good. I mean, last week was kind of brutal. Today felt a lot better, even though it was raining and everything. It didn't even want to come out here, but I'm really happy we did and got it done, man.
Got it done. Well, you gotta come. No matter what the weather is, no matter how you feel, you still gotta come to the gym and you still gotta get it in.
And just to cut this short, because this rain's about to rain on the camera, subscribe.
Here we are.